Hi guys, I got my coffee cup here. I am literally freezing and I have my heater on. I have my heated mat on my desk and of course my blankie. Today is actually the 4th of July. I don't know when this is going to be posted. Before I go and ramble on about what the video is about, I wanted to say that today was such a cool day. We went and we took our granddaughter Littlefoot, not her real name obviously, but that's what we call her. So we took Littlefoot to the parade, and we haven't been to a parade in, I don't know, 4 years or so. Our boys are 15 and 12 and my daughter is 21 or almost 21. So our parade time is kind of over. So we went today and oh my gosh, watching her face light up, it was everything. She like flipped out. There was bubbles everywhere. She got 2 whole pieces of candy, which is like epic. It's just adorable. It was everything. I just wanted to say happy 4th of July to everyone. 250 years. Crazy talk. And also shout out to our governor, because normally we get, apparently, if you don't know already, I work for the state now and I haven't worked away from the house in 17 years. So I don't even know what holidays people get off anymore, but working for the state, I figured I would get, you know, more holidays off and crap. Normally we would get the 3rd off, and then we would obviously have the 4th off, and then the weekend, and then Sunday. But our governor awarded us an extra day off from now on. So we have a new, I don't know what they're calling it, but basically it's to recognize 250 years. So yeah, we now have it like signed and documented into the state for state workers. So we have an additional day off, which if you know anything, you know that this transition has been a bit heavy for me, being away from the family and business and all of that. But I'm actually really loving my job. I love everyone I work with. I have like a work bestie. Sorry, Ashley and Adrian, but I do have a work bestie, T-Dog, we shall call her. She doesn't watch my videos, but let me just tell you, when she does and she hears her name, she's gonna be like, woo, woo, yes. Anyway, I'm fully enjoying it, but let me tell you, having 4 days off to just soak into my family and my home and everything is just like everything I needed in life. Enough about that. Let's get going. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Ashley. I go over a whole bunch on this channel all about making money online, digital products mainly, basically ADHD life, being a mom. Now I'm working full-time, away from the house, still running my business at home. I have a ton of animals. We got a lot. It's like a chaotic family of trying to earn multiple streams of income, and then like squirrel, you know, all that. I have pots, I have EDS. There's a lot going on over here. So if you're interested in any of that, or just my ridiculously amazing charm, then you should consider subscribing, because sometimes I post videos. I got an email forever ago from this really awesome human. I'm hoping that I do not butcher his name. I even asked how to pronounce it so that I wouldn't. Sunket, he sent me an email and he wanted me to take a look at his Canva apps. And no one had ever sent me an email in regards to their Canva apps they have made. I get tons of emails for me to check out tons of products and companies and all these different things, and I rarely get to them because there's so many at this point, which is crazy because I have like the smallest micro channel ever that is monetized. But anyway, he sent me a message and he sent me some, and honestly, I dismissed it at first because I was like, how great could they be? And then one day I opened them and dude, they're actually really fucking cool. They're really good. They're really cool. So he sent me access to 3 of them, gave me a code to test it out. And then after a while I played with them and I just love them. And so I asked, is there any way that I could give my subscribers some kind of deal or something, because you can use some of it free, but I wanted to see if I could get you guys a deal so that you guys could play around with this, because it's just so cool. It is AI driven. He has built it so cool. And I think you guys are really gonna love it. So he did say that we have a code, so I'm super excited and I can't wait to show you guys all the work that he's put in. It's really incredible. So thank you, Sunket, for doing this, and let's head over to my computer and I'll show you these awesome apps. Okay, so we are in Canva now, and the first one I want to show you, I have 3 total that I really want to go over with you, and this one is the multi-outfit try-on. You're probably wondering, how is this relevant to anything that we talk about? I'm going to show you. I really thought about this and I think I found the best way that we could use it, but there's probably a ton more, and you guys will have to let me know in the comments if you can think of any other way for us to use this in business. But regardless, I love it for like anything else. Okay, So the first way that you go about, I will actually link these in the description box below. How you go to any apps in Canva is to go to your Canva, and then you'll click on apps, and then you will just type it in. I'm already here, but I'll do it on the next one. Okay, so multi-outfit try-on. I just have a basic square canvas, nothing major, and I'm gonna choose a photo. So I am choosing a mock-up, so just a mock-up that I have purchased before, and let me go find the one I was thinking of. Let's do this one here. Perfect. Okay, so this is our model image, and then down below, it gives you some like little sample items that you can test out, but I want to test out something specific. So what I'm thinking is, how great would it be if we could adjust maybe her sunglasses to be more like on trend, or depending on like the season, right? We can change her drink. What if we were to change it to a tumbler and the tumbler had our design on it? So I'm thinking we could do that. So let's do that one first. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to Google and find a tumbler, and we're gonna use that. Okay, so let's head to Google, and we're just going to look for a cute summer tumbler. Now remember, this could be like any tumbler, it could be your design, okay? That's really what we're kind of going for here. Let's use this. Okay, so we'll use this picture. I'm just going to click on print screen and take like a screenshot of it, okay? And then we're gonna go back over and we're going to add this. So we're already gonna change that. Let's give her some more trendy looking sunglasses. Perfect, okay. So for this example, I'm not gonna like change her shirt or anything like that. Or actually, let's just go ahead and change her shirt to this one. Pretend it's like a hoodie or a sweater with our design on it, okay? But for the sake of time, these are what we're going to do. And all we have to do is go down here and click generate. It's so crazy good and accurate. It's literally insane to me. There we go. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, so now all we have to do is click on add to design. Are you seeing the possibilities here? It's freaking crazy. Like, look how good the glasses are. I'll even like zoom in here. It's insane. I don't even understand how he got it to do this. Now, granted, it does have the bow, but to be fair, the picture had the bow on it as well. So maybe that's just part of it. But just imagine the possibilities. Like, it's going to make it so much easier to make like mock-ups and stuff. So you can still maybe even use like, you can still have like a real model photo. Like, even if you do take your own photos for your brand, you could even still have those, but just instead of having to reshoot, take your products and just put them on. It's just like mind-blowing to me how much like time this could save. And then I was going to show you the other part, but I probably won't do that. But just picture doing this, but for like your website photos or for your marketing photos, things like that. Like, you've already gotten your professional photos done, but maybe it's been a while, or maybe you want some that are specific for like a holiday or a special event or like a special sale. You could use this and it can help you basically transition your photo into a new theme or time of year, season, etc. So absolutely love this app. It's incredible. Sunkit, you literally blow me away with your talent. It's insane. All right, let's go on to the next one because it's just as good. All right, so for the next one, I told you I was going to just search for the apps just because I think that's gonna make it a little bit easier. All right, so this one is really cool for, to me, what I'm picturing is thumbnails. So I think it's so cool to be able to come up with this for thumbnails. Oh, I just typed in thumbnails. Okay, AI face expression. Yes. AI face expression is his next one, and it is so crazy accurate. It's insane. All right, this time we are going to use it on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and delete this example, and I'm gonna grab a photo of myself that I have maybe taken for, well, literally anything. So let's go find just a photo of me somewhere in here. Okay, so I have my photo here, and then all I have to do is pick an expression, okay? So these are locked, but if you use the code I'm gonna give you is Ashley, ASHLEY, and you can get yourself more credits, and I'll show you how to do that in a little bit. But let's say that, what do I wanna be? So I look pretty happy, so let's give it a little bit of a difficult one. Let's make me sad. okay? And we can just hit generate and then it's going to start. So my thought process on this is, I'm sure we could use this in a lot of different ways, but the way that I think that it would be most useful for me is thumbnails. So if you're somebody who creates videos on YouTube or anywhere else and you need thumbnail photos with like an expression on your face, sometimes it would be really nice to be able to just do something like this instead of having to create all new. I mean, look at that. That's insane to me. Okay, let's click add and then we will look at it a little bit closer. I'm gonna move it down here. That is crazy. It literally still looks just like me. Brows are like down. That is so insane to me. It's the new one they came up with. Here's the original. So I'd say like my face is a little bit more softened, like around here. You can still see a lot of like my freckles and stuff like that. But are you kidding me? Now I have a whole new photo for thumbnails and I didn't have to make like 17 different facial expressions or anything like that. It's so accurate. It's scary. It's so crazy. I just can't believe it. Let's do one more. I want to choose one where I'm like super happy and see if it can make me super angry like this one. I feel like that would be really difficult. So we're going to choose. Let's go find one where I'm just like crazy happy. Here we go. Definitely a super happy smile. And now I want to be angry. I feel like this one's going to be tricky. Oh, generate your image requires 1 credit. So now that I've used my free credits, I have to purchase my credits, okay? So how you would go about that. So we're going to click right here. Or excuse me, we're going to click right here. We're about to leave Canva and it's going to take us to yippa.io and you can now see, we'll go over this part. Okay, so we have the starter option, which is 15 credits, 1 credit equals 1 generated image. And you can see like how accurate they are. So you're not going to be wasting credits trying to get it the way that you want. Love that. And then it just kind of goes up for the amount of credits you get. Okay, so I think that this one's great. I think this is perfection. I mean, imagine that. So if you did this one, buy now, and then we'll use our code, apply discount code. Discount code is Ashley. Validate. Whoop, 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 whoop. Thank you, Suncat. Yes, please. I mean, that's so awesome. $21 for 200 credits. Is that what it was? Was it 200 credits? 200 credits. That's a steal, my friends. Okay. Love that. Thank you so much for doing that for us. All right. So now that I have my credits all ready, I'm just going to go back to like got my super happy face and we're going to click on angry and we're going to click on generate. Let's see how it does doing an angry face out of a super happy face. I feel like it's not going to be that easy, but we'll see. Okay. It's so good. I literally look like this when I'm that mad. That's so crazy. Okay, so we have this. And then let's shrink it down. I mean, that's pretty freaking good, dude. That's crazy to me. I can't look. My glasses. I literally have these lines. Let's see if I can do this face. It's so crazy. Oh my God, I love it. I love it so much. All right, now we are looking for the final one and it's the art style changer. So we go to apps, art style changer. I need to get a new keyboard that's similar to the one I have at work because it's really difficult for me to go back and forth because mine's a small keyboard and the one I have at work is a longer keyboard with the 10 key. It drives me crazy. Okay, here we go. So with this one, we can change the entire art style. So let's see, I'm going to choose one of my recent designs. Okay, so I'm going to use this Happy Mother's Day design that I created months ago, obviously for Mother's Day, and it is a can wrap. So let's use this and then we are going to choose a different type of art style for this. So we've already created it, but now maybe we want to change it up a bit, make it a little bit different. So let's see what type we'd want. Crochet doll is hilarious, loving that. We could make it look into like sticker, but I feel like they're pretty sticker-like already. Let's see, maybe something that would be a little bit more trendy right now. Like what is trendy right now? Oh, we could make it pop art, hologram. I wonder what would happen if we clicked crochet doll. I think it would be cool if it ended up making these like look crochet because that actually is really trendy. Let's just see what happens. I don't know that this is even going to work. I'm pretty anxious on this one. I have no idea. Wouldn't it be funny if it literally just tried to create a crochet doll? I don't know what it would even look like. I'm hoping that it really just takes the design that I created and makes it into a crochet looking design. That would be insane if it was able to do that. I would actually be blown away. I don't think it's going to be able to. That seems really hard. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I was not expecting this. What is this? It is supposed to be a doll. Oh my gosh. This is crazy cool, but not at all what I was thinking. It's just so accurate. What? I just had an idea. Okay, start over. I'm gonna go find one of my little clip arts that I have. We're gonna turn this cool little goose into a friggin' crocheted doll. We're doing it. Oh my God, I know it's gonna be so cute. I can't take it. I'm already freaking out because it's gonna be so cute. Everything that he is creating is so accurate and I just can't get over it. Like, have you noticed when you use AI a lot? I mean, obviously you have to get better and better and better, but a lot of times it takes like a few rounds to be able to get it the way that you're thinking. And so far, as you can see, this isn't edited out either. Like, I mean, it's just getting it right the first time. It's really, really well built. Oh my goodness. Look at it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I want to like order some of these from one of my friends who can crochet and just have them on my desk at work. I love them. All right, friends, those were the 3 apps from Canva that I really wanted you to see. Sunket, you literally blow my mind. I'm so happy that you jumped in my email. I'm so sorry that this has taken so long for me to show off, but better late than never because these are so well done. I'm literally so impressed. I'm getting nothing from sharing these. He gave me like exactly what he gave you guys. He gave me a few free credits. I think I got like 5 free credits or so to test each one out, and that was it. So he's not paying me to say good things here. He just wanted me to try it out, and if I liked it, if I wanted to share it, I could, but obviously I didn't have to. And the second I played with it, I couldn't believe it. I had my husband come in and we were doing it together, and he was like, what? So really, really impressed. You offer an amazing product. Thank you so much for giving a discount to the subscribers. So again, guys, I will put the link in the description box below, but use code Ashley, ASHLEY at checkout for 15% off the already incredible prices that he has on the website. So I will keep playing with these, and if he has any more that come out, I will be the first person, I swear, to show them off because I'm probably gonna be a fan for life. You've made a new friend, Sunket. All right. Well, you guys, I love you all. Thank you all for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Super helpful for the YouTube algorithm. Drop in the comments which app was your favorite, which one you're going to try out first. Don't forget to subscribe before you head out, and go out there, go design a life you love, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.